This podcast is about using iPhone and brainwave technology and their use in the future once they're refined. Brainwaves must progress to be more fluent in the technology so that there's no issue with choppiness or having to stop and restart to do another task. You must be able to control completely the device that you are trying to control, whether it be a robot or a computer image or some other technology. And you must not have to wear those strange and ugly headset to do it. There must not be any interference. I don't know of any testing that's been done in that regard, so I'm not sure that any of that's been tested. But it needs to be tested so that there's no interference, so that when you send out your brainwave through this headset or whatever, that it doesn't change something else, or nothing will interfere with it and change it. And I am using the iPhone right now for this podcast, since pod came from iPod and the cast is a webcast. I would like to use the same technology, so my iPhone is being used as this exercise. And I want to be able to do any kind of brainwave control, manipulation, while doing other things, for example, exercising, running on a treadmill, and then talk to my computer through my headset and my iPhone. Right now, brainwaves, that looks like the direction that they're going is you'd be able to do something with your computer, direct your computer to do something for you, or direct your, for example, your self-driven vacuum cleaner to clean the carpet before you get home with a surprise drop-in group of friends. Also, you'd like to be able to do things like check your refrigerator's meter to see if you have enough food for these friends. And related to my dissertation direction right now, called computing, I'd like to be able to check the progress of my company's data manipulation or software results, for example, from finance. And I want to be able to do that from a remote site anywhere, so I can see if I can afford that car that's on the lot that I've got my eye on. Also, I'd like to be able to activate a report. For example, send the brainwave that says, send a report to me. For things like, say, a technician's back working at the office and trying to solve a serious issue that could make or break our company. I'd like to know about the progress as they go along. And the conclusion is that the brainwaves can be used to control just about anything once they are used or their use is refined and tested more. That's my podcast.